Inserting smart art. It is easy to understand a topic when it is expressed with the help of charts, diagrams and lists. In PowerPoint, we use smart art to do this. To insert a smart art on a slide, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the Smart Art command. 3. Select a diagram type. 4. Select a design of the diagram you want to insert. 5. Click on the OK button. This will insert a smart art graphic on the slide with text box to enter your text. 6. Click on the text boxes and enter your text. You can change the color and design of the smart art graphic by selecting the smart art graphic and using commands available under the Format tab and Design tab in Smart Art Tools.